So I recorded that whole video with my bun lopsided. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing like a Thanksgiving type of makeup look because obviously Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so like I just wanted to hurry up and get this video out for you guys. This is a collab video with Chino Nicole. The link to her channel will be in my description box. So if you're trying to find out like how I achieved this makeup look, then just keep watching my video. So obviously I've already done the eyebrows, I've done my little concealer, so I'm just gonna start off by baking my face. I'm going to use my favorite palette, same Magnify Spice Edition palette from my other video. So for my transition shade, we're going to go in with this color right here. Also, if I end up looking like over here, that's because I literally have a mirror right here just so I can make sure that I'm not looking all crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with this really orangey shade for the crease, because it low-key matches my shirt, but like not really, but it does. And then for the lid, I'm gonna just go all gold and like shimmery because I want it to be pretty. Obviously you want it to be pretty. Duh. So now I feel like y'all can see that I've blended out my colors really well, so I'm gonna just go ahead and apply my mascaras. So today I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus mascara. Got it in my eye. Oh no, did it ruin my under eye? Hold up. It didn't ruin my under eye. Okay. This video is not sponsored by Wet n Wild. I just happen to like their products. And recently I got their highlighting powder and I love it. Y'all see me using my finger a lot just because I feel like sometimes my finger can just blend just slightly better than my highlighting brush since it's so big, especially like on my nose. And I don't really like when the highlighter starts and it's like a circle, like a defined line. I like it to be blended into my cheek. I'm gonna go in with my second coat of mascara. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. My bun is lopsided. This hairstyle makes my forehead look extremely big. Like, it's already big, we already knew that. But now I look like an egg. Do y'all see it? An egg. This is the pointy part of the egg, bottom of the egg. It literally cuts off my bun. So I just look like an egg. But like, I already did the makeup look. Y'all see this sun? Do y'all see the sun? Y'all see the sun? Yes, y'all see the sun, obviously.